Greetings all, welcome to your Science Fiesta. Now we are going to learn about the working of human heart. For this, we are preparing a model, and the material required for model are: first is drip pipes, the Fevikwik or we can take Elfie, a pair of scissors, 2 PVC caps, some small size balloons, 2 big size balloons, and a sellotape. Now, what we need to do is we have to cut this physiotherapy ball into 2 halves. You can cut with the help of knife or with the help of cutter. You can cut it into 2 parts. Now we'll take the small balloons, and these are the collars. The big balloon has 2 cm collar and the small balloon has 1 cm collar. So now first I'll take the collar of the balloon and cut the collar of a balloon. Now also we will cut the lower part of balloon. We need only the neck of the balloon to perform this experiment. Now what I'll do, I'll take a drip pipe and with the help of tape I will put this collar on the one end of drip pipe. In this way, make it in the one end corner, insert it to half, and then the extra piece you can fold it twice on the same pipe. Now I'll secure it with the help of a sellotape. You have to put the sellotape in such a way that half of the sellotape is on the pipe and half of the sellotape is on the balloon. Now with the help of ruler and the scissors, we will cut this PVC pipe at 3 centimeters. So I'll remove. In this way, we will prepare 3 more small columns having balloon at one end. Now we will prepare 3 such tubes having balloon at one end and secured with the tape. So in this way, by putting a balloon on one side, I'll prepare a model. See how does it look like. I have used the drip tape and the pipe. The drip one portion is attached to the one part of the cap and the another long pipe is attached to the another part. Now I'm going to cover it with the help of a balloon. You can take any color balloon, and if you have colored tape, you can adjust that tape to balloon. Now I have prepared this model with the help of that drip pipes and the PVC caps, also the ball which is used to pump, so it looks like a one chamber of a heart. Now let us test it. I have taken some colored water. When I start pumping it, you can see the colored water, it is rising, and from the another pipe it is moving outward. So in the same way, I have prepared 2 models, one representing the left side and the another representing the right side. Now see, The left part represents the red color, which contains oxygenated blood, and the right portion, atria and ventricle, contain the deoxygenated blood, so it is represented by the blue one. This is how the heart of our body is divided into two halves, and both the halves work simultaneously, and in every cycle the blood moves twice through the heart, and that is why it is called as a double circulation. Now, after securing with the tape and joining both the sides, we get the perfect model of heart. Now, as you know that it is a pumping organ, so as we used to pump it, you can see the water coming in the inlet pipes. As soon as it gets filled, now the water moves to the outlet pipe. So this rhythmic contraction and expansion helping pumping of the blood throughout the body. Thank you.